Hi there, I'm Janelle Parrish from REMAX Capital Properties, and I wanted to talk about spring cleaning. Whether you're looking to make a move or just want to refresh your space for the upcoming warmer weather and longer days, here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Clean room by room. Approaching your house room by room is the most effective way to clean it. Make checklists for each room to help you stay organized and keep you on task. Feel free to skip the areas that have been cleaned recently and on the parts of your home that you may have neglected over the winter. 2. Organize and clear the clutter. Getting rid of clutter is a huge part of spring cleaning. Sorting your belongings in categories can help you if you don't know where to start. Try these categories: trash, giveaway, store, or sell. Planning a yard sale with valuable items that you no longer need or use can put extra cash in your pocket as well. 3. Seasonal tasks. Many tasks can only be done when it warms up outside, so incorporate them into your spring cleaning. For example, clean the deck, the driveway, the outsides of windows. Also, store your winter clothing, bedding, and decor. However, since we live in Wyoming, you might want to keep those winter clothes easily accessible. Get the family involved and have fun with it. Even little ones can be great helpers. Whatever 2022 has in store for you, whether it's buying, selling, or sprucing up your current home, I'm here to help. Connect with me today, 307-421-7054.